Good morning everybody, or good afternoon, or good evening wherever you are in the world, and what time of day it is and wherever you are. Oh, and welcome to my video. I just want to show you what I did with these micro inspection goggles I got from Amazon ages ago. I mean, these were about, I think I paid £8 for them as they were, without all this stuff on it. I'm going to take that in a minute. But these things, they come just with two little LED lights on the side, and that allows you to see things close up easily, like detail, like circuitry board, stuff like that. So what I did was I actually found that these batteries that used to go inside here and the other side where the other LED is, they actually cost quite a lot of money. There's two batteries in each one, and they're about I don't know, £4 each. And these batteries last a fair bit of time, but it's really a pain when you come to use these and the batteries are flat and you can't use them. So what I got was an old vape which is no longer being used, and I used the charger port and the battery. The switch was from a power supply from an old PC I had, and a bit of wire. So what it is with this now, I can actually see how much charge is left inside the actual battery by pressing that button. You probably can't see it on the camera here because it's the flash rate's different, but that's 99% full battery. So I can charge it on the top there anytime I want. The battery's connected to it as well, and then obviously the switch at the end. So really, it's an upgrade to these goggles. It's pretty cheap to run now. Obviously I haven't got to buy batteries anymore. Just thought I'd share it with you guys. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.